Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful headband with rose. It's actually an elastic red headband and it's really beautiful. I made this with a Kampala fabric, and I tell you, you can make it with any fabric of your choice. Alright guys, let's get to the honey of this video. Papa. For this project, you need your fabric, you need a crinoline, and you need your scissors and tape rule. The crinoline I used is about 3 inches wide, and now I've already cut out a piece of fabric of about 50 inches long, and the width is about 6 inches. It's about 6 inches, so by the time you fold it, it will give you 3 inches. Actually, I added seam allowance of ½ inch to the 3 inches, so by the time you fold it, it will give you 3¼ inch, which you use to join it. Now the next thing you're going to do is to place your crinoline inside the folded fabric, and then you stitch it all the way down. I've gone ahead to stitch it on the sides. I ironed it well, and I stitched the 2 ends too. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to create a running stitch. So by the time you create that running stitch, that is what will form the rose for you. So you create the running stitch, and then you measure it till it's up to 10 inches. So I know you know how to create a running stitch. Just watch what I'm doing closely, and then you measure it out. See how the way I'm doing it. Then you measure it. By the time it is 10 inches long, you draw it. Make sure you don't draw it too much so that your thread doesn't cut, and then you lock your stitch. If you've gotten to this point and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, sis, why now? Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and family, and you will not regret you did, because we're going to be doing everything DIY on this channel, and we're going to be making beautiful dresses like a pro. So what I'm doing right now is that I am locking the stitch. Alright, so as you are subscribing, I'm saying thank you, and I'm giving you kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you. So now I'm trying to create another running stitch, and then I'll measure it. By the time it's up to 10 inches, I'm going to draw it to form that rose shape. More than listening to me, you really need to pay attention to what I'm doing and watch it closely. If you are yet to turn on the notification bell, kindly do so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Now I've measured it, it's 10 inches already, and I'm drawing the thread so that the fabric can form the rose. You don't have to draw it too hard so your thread does not cut off, and then you lock your stitch. So this is what you keep doing till you get to the end of the piece, of this piece here. Glory and power to the one who reigns forever. If you don't understand anything, you can drop your questions, your thoughts, and your comments in the comment section down below, and I'll be so glad to reply you as soon as I see your messages. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Winnie's Fashion Parlor and show me your own creation. You should try this out and show it to me. Alright, I'll be so glad that you are learning from this channel. Thank you very much. Happy creation. So now I've gotten to the end of the piece, and I'm drawing my thread, and I am locking my stitch. That is what I'm doing presently. Make sure to lock your stitch like 2 or 3 times or multiple times, as much as you can, so it doesn't lose. And this is what our roses look like. So you can use this piece that you've made to form any design of your choice. You can put it on your sleeve, you can use it to form your rose, or even on your fabrics, and just be creative with it. All right, and you can also form a rose with it like we want to use it for in this video. Now moving on to the elastic band, I've gone ahead to cut out a strip of about 50 inches long, and then the width is about 4 inches wide. So now the width of my elastic is 1 inch, and the elastic that I'm using is half of my head circumference measurement plus 1 inch. Half of my head circumference measurement plus 1 inch. Then I'm going to fold it like as you can see me do, and I'm going to stitch it all the way down. I've stitched it, and now I'm just going to give it a very good press. After giving it a good press, you insert your elastic into the casing that you've made, and then you form the elastic band. I just hope this video is not too fast. I hope you are getting what I'm doing. If you don't understand what I'm doing, feel free to ask any question in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer. So after passing your elastic, you're going to place your elastic on top of each other the way I'm doing, like 1 inch on top of each other, and then you're going to stitch it neatly all the way around to secure the elastic. Make sure you stitch it multiple times so that your elastic does not just cut inside after you must have finished your project. All right, so after stitching it, make sure to stitch it properly. If you watch what I'm doing, you will definitely get it right. If you are still not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos with your family and friends, and let's do this fashion thing together. Thank you. So now that we've joined the elastic, we are just going to close it up just the way I'm doing. Going to close it up, place it on top of each other, and then you stitch it up neatly. You can use an invisible thread to stitch it up, or you do the all-purpose invisible stitch, which I'm still going to show you in one tutorial this coming week. I'm going to do a tutorial on that so you can see it. So you stitch it, secure everything neatly like this. After stitching it, you cut off your thread, and we have our elastic band. Now I'm trying to form what the design that I want. You can do any design of your choice with this piece before placing it on your elastic band. So that is what you can see me do. It took a while before I could decide, and later on I decided that I'm just going to be rolling it up and stitching it as I attach it to the elastic band, and it came out really beautiful. So anytime you are working, you just need to open your mind and heart and your vision of creativity to determine what you want and how you want it to be, and create your own design from it. This is just my own way of doing it. You can do absolutely whatever you like. Just create something really really beautiful that people will see and admire. So I'm just stitching it right now, and I went to the back of it and I'm stitching it very well and securing my thread multiple times so it does not come out. And this is the beauty that we just created. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Bye.